Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain.
Oh, no, you is. Cause every man have him life to live. And no matter when nobody wants it, me still a go be me, this young dirty maga piece of freak.
So guys, the sun is sunning and welcome back to another vlog, guys. So today is Sunday and we brought the kids out to do some roller skate because it's been long since they've done this roller skate because the dad has been working and me, I'm not good at this, so I do not know how to do. So I'm just here just to vlog them. And yeah, it's like long they has done it, so it's like they have been losing what they actually learned with their dad. So now we are here, like we're starting at square one again. So please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and thank you for all my returning subscribers. So we are out here today teaching them something. So the oldest one, which is Marisia, she's very good at this thing. She has patience for this when it comes to roller skate, gym and all these other things. She has the patience. But for the smallest one, which is Mighty's, this child do not want any scratch on her body. This child do not want to have any scratch on her body. See how she's afraid. Look at her. She's very, very much afraid. She do not want to fall. The smallest one is Mighty. She's actually in the back, as you can see. So for her, if it was for her, she would have definitely said, "Mommy, let's go home." But because of the oldest one, she's still there trying. So this is them. I'll show you guys the end results, like if they got it or how it's going. So please keep watching my video, guys. Doucement, maman, on là-bas, allez où? I'm trying to explain to them if they want to be good at whatever they are doing, they must do whatever it takes to get to where they are. Because one thing with this roller skate, you must fall. You will definitely fall when learning. Then after you will get used to it. So this is why Maidis is very much afraid of falling. So see how she's going slowly and steady. But she actually fell 1 or 2 times during this period. She actually fell. So I did as if I didn't see her, because if she noticed that I saw when she fell, she would be there crying and for me to take her in my arms. But once I noticed that she's falling, I would just turn my back and let her stand on her own. Hey, mama, bien fait.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
See, the trick is when you notice that you're about to fall, you place your 2 hands on your knees like she just did. Hey, love!
1, 2, 3. Attends, t'as pas mis le casque.
Maman, vas-y.
Parce que tu peux faire le t-shirt.
Go, go, go. Doucement, 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 doucement. Regarde-moi, laisse-moi faire une photo. Regarde-moi, debout, debout. Regarde-moi, debout. Souris. Hey.
Je vais pas faire attention, laisse-moi avancer. Pas de canard en V. Voilà. 1, 2, 3.
Tu fermes tes jambes pour te mettre debout.
Mets tes mains sur tes genoux. Voilà.
Doucement, maman.
Voilà.
Doucement, doucement.
2, 3. En V. Pas de canard.
I've already promised them that maybe every Wednesdays, because you not have school on a Wednesday, so every Wednesday afternoon I will bring them and do some little training. But it's only when they dad come from work because I'm not good at this. I can't even wear this on. So it's when they dad come from work. We'll take some time off to bring them around, but we must get a better place to do this because this place actually had some stones in, because it's been a while no one has cleaned this place, and this place is just getting a bit rocky, so we might get another place for them to get this well done. I'm solidly behind them for whatever they want. Ferme sur tes jambes. Ferme sur tes jambes. At this point, if you are still watching my videos, it's because you are enjoying it. So please give a like, give a thumbs up, guys, and subscribe if you haven't. Tes jambes s'ouvrent, tu vois, ferme.
Laisse tes pieds en V. Voilà, comme ça, on repart. Voilà. 1, 2, 3.
Doucement.
3.
Maman. Hey. Attention. Tu t'es fait mal? Oui?
Accroupis-toi un peu, comme ça. Voilà.
Ok, mais